Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Warriors Investors? This is the Warriors Investors channels. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here with us today. Now, today we're gonna have a hell of a video. Now, I'm gonna be teaching you certain things when it comes to inquiries, but one of the main things you're gonna learn is how to get credit cards without inquiries. Now, that sounds amazing, right? Guys, this is the Warriors Investors channel. We teach you leadership. We teach you the disciplined mindset that you need to become a disciplined entrepreneur. Now, we teach you the techniques that you need to in order to actually get real estate, but at the same time, we teach you the ins and outs of credit. You need credit for everything, guys. Don't forget that money talks, but credit holds conversations. Now, guys, before I continue, I'd be remiss if I don't remind you this. I need you to go ahead, before we go anywhere now, stay tuned and stay throughout the whole video, because I'm going to be dropping nuggets, guys. I'm going to be dropping bombs, things that will help you, and little things. I have a gift for you guys at the end of the video. Now, but before I continue, I need you guys to go ahead, like and share. I need you to give us a thumbs up. Why? Because when you give us a thumbs up, the YouTube gods help us to bring you more and more every single day. Don't forget, we are here every single day, so I need you to go ahead and like and share. But also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave us your comments. Let us know what you guys think about what we're putting on. But at the same time, if there's a topic that you want us to touch on, or you want me to go ahead and research for you, trust me, put it on. We'll help you out. We'll try to get to answers and answers for any topics or any questions that you guys have. Now, don't forget to click on the bell icon. It's going to be in one of these areas right here. Make sure you click on that bell icon, but click on the all. Why? So that you'll be notified when we post any of our videos. Now, guys, I am Carlos Estrada Vega, and I'm your host today. Now, I am on a mission to help you get your 800 credit. Now, I'm gonna give you a little secret. When I talk about 800 credit, I'm just bragging. Now, in reality, anything over 780 to 850 is the same. Anybody that tells you, when I tell you that I was able to actually get to an 804, I'm just bragging. But it's good to have, right? It's the 800 club. Now, it would be better that it sees you, lenders and creditors see you in a different view, in a different eye. That is good. So, but no matter what, the person with the 781 and myself with the 804 will still get approved for the same things. Now, our job is to actually help you get the financial literacy that you need. My goal is to help America to gain the financial literacy, so that we could get out of the rat race, guys. Let's get out of the rat race. I was once there, and it's not pretty. I understand where you're coming from. I fight for the little guy. I want to help you get the best out of what you can do right now, but in order to get to a better place of where you want to be in the future. Now, there's a saying that says that if you are over 800 credit, or even 780 or 781, you are worth $100,000. I'm gonna tell you why. Guys, over the past 18 months, I've been able to, and again, it's just bragging, get more than 18 credit cards, in which I have close to almost $1 million in credit. I have my two personal Go American Express. I have Amazon American Express. We got almost all the Blue American Express. I mean, American Express is I tell you what, American Express is a family type of oriented type of lender. When you have one, and if you actually do good by them, and they'll do good by you. Now, you got the Synchrony is one of the best ones. Now, Capital One. Now, I'm gonna tell you later on a little trick on how to get between 3 to 4 Capital Ones at the same time, with only one inquiry. Now, obviously, I have to get the JCPenney's, the Synchrony, the TD Banks. So I got 2 TD Banks, one personal, one business. I mean, they're great. They'll work with you. They were able to even, all I did was go into the bank, open a bank account for my business, and I was able to apply and get approved. So, I mean, you got the USA, we got the Sony Synchrony, and Chases, guys. But overall, was about 18 credit cards that I've been able to actually get over the past 18 months. If you average it out, it's like once a month. But you ask me, like, Carlos, how do you get 18 credit cards? Wouldn't you have 18 or more inquiries? Well, guys, that's what we come in. I was able to create the blueprint. The blueprint was created for me. I made a blueprint. Why? Because I was tired. I was tired of people taking my money. And I'm gonna give you a little story. So I went to some of the companies out there, and the one that I want to tell you about is, no, I'm not gonna say no names, but they string me along over almost 12 months with a monthly fee between $70 to $80. If you think about it, that's a pretty penny right there. Guys, they didn't do anything. The last thing that happened to me was a friend of a friend, quote unquote, was a credit expert. This person asked me and said to me that, hey, I will help you. I will clear this up. Give me 2 to 3 weeks. Pay me $600. Guess what I did? I paid $600. Guys, this person ran away with my money. But you know what? That was like a gift of God. At the same time, it taught me a lot. Taught me a lot about, I needed to learn the game. I needed to learn how everything is played. I needed to create the blueprint that I needed for myself. And that's what I did. I learned, I started researching how everything works, how the credit bureaus work, how lenders think, what is that's needed. Now, guys, I was able to write a book, and let's call it an ebook. So it's about 62 pages, but in this list, I call it the Remaster Secrets Lenders List. It will give you every creditor in America, the credit score that they need and they require for you to apply. What bureau do they pull from and they report to, and approximately how much you'll get when you apply. Now, that is powerful, right? Coming from the military, when you want to attack, when you want to actually accomplish a mission, you want to have a well-defined plan. And that's what I'm giving to you today. And I'm giving it to you for free. I'm not asking for anything. All I need you to do is go in there, give me your email so like that I can send it to you, but it's a gift to you. I'm on a mission to help you get that 780, 800 club type of credit. So this is a gift that I want to give back because I know somebody did it for me and I want to pass it along. I want to pay it forward. But what I want you to do is once you are there, do the same for others. All right? Now let's talk about how you can get certain credit cards, or the credit cards that I just showed you. You get 2 to 3 credit cards at the same time. Now, one of the methods that we use, or I have used in the past, and I advise my clients to use, is stacking your credit cards. How do we do that? Now, mainly, this works usually with credit unions. Let's just say you go to doesn't work with Navy Fed, but actually I did it with Bethpage Credit Union. Now, opening an account, I waited about a week. And then I went there and applied for my business credit card, my personal credit card, and a business line of credit. Guys, I was stacking. I got approved for all 3 of them with just 1 inquiry in my credit. Now, this works with a lot of the credit unions. So what I advise you is to actually call your credit union, local credit union, and work with them. Open an account, make sure that you find out, do a little research on some of the benefits that they have and what they provide. But when you do it, make sure you do it all at once. And like that, you will only get 1 inquiry in your credit. Now guys, there's another method that's called double dipping. Now double dipping and stacking is about the same thing, but this is and so I'll tell you what, I did it with this 5 credit cards right here. Oh no, I got 6. So I did it 3 and 3 at the same time. So I remember that I got this in 2 separate occasions, but I tell you what, when I actually I never had a late payment with American Express. I always kept a good relationship with them. So what I did was open 3 browsers, Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. You open it up, fill out the whole application from top to bottom. Don't press submit. What you do at the same time, within 30 seconds, submit, submit, and submit. I guarantee you that you'll get approved. I guarantee you. Well, let me not say I guarantee you. If you have the scores. Now, I will advise you to go through the remastered secret lenders list. Now, if you have the score, you know that you're gonna be guaranteed. Okay? So let me not guarantee you. Make sure you do your research and go to it. But this is the process. And I'm gonna tell you one. I know that I said to you I was gonna talk to you about the Capital One, and a beautiful trick that I actually learned on this, and that's gonna be a bonus on this one. Now, I wasn't thinking about giving that one, but after thinking about it, I think definitely I gotta give it to you guys. So let's go back to the American Express. So what you do is you have those three browsers, and when you do, you click send. More than likely, you'll have right there, and they'll tell you that please call us in. There's more information needed. And that's what you'll do. Hey, I'm calling in because I just applied and they asked me to call you, and I just wanted to make sure, call with certainty. I just want to make sure and find out what is my credit line. Now, make sure that when you call people on the phone, especially with your creditors, make sure you are very nice to them. Create that relationship over the phone, because they are on the phone all day. You got to think there's a lot of this customer service that are not in the United States. They're somewhere in abroad, in which a lot of people are so nasty to them, and they're used to that. But when they get that person that's actually nice to them on the phone, guess what it is? You change their day. When you get that human on the phone, that human connection that is actually good to them and nice to them, they'll go out of the way to help you out. And when you actually talk on the phone, hey, I just want to make sure you talk with certainty that, hey, I want to make sure that I actually wanted to know what's my credit line. And guys, this worked like a charm for me. It may work for you 100% of the time, but I tell you what, this is the tip that really helped me out. And I was able to get 6, as you see. I got 6. I got 2 gold. Guys, I'm going after the black one, but I still are yet to actually do certain moves, a certain amount of money that I need to spend a year. But I'm tracking. I'm going there. Now, let me give you the bonus. The bonus is the Capital Ones. Now, there's another way that you can actually get approved for certain credit cards, and you'll see in the remastered secrets lenders list. I'll give you all the links that for the pre-approval sites, and all you need to do is go in there. And so I'm going to tell you a little secret. So anytime that you see a pre-approval, they will only ask you for the last 4 of your social. If you see any application that's asking you more than that, that will be what's called a hard inquiry. You want to make sure that you get the applications that give you the soft pull. What I mean by that is a soft pull will not have any effect on your credit. A hard pull will diminish and will lower your credit score. So anytime that you get that you apply for any loan or any credit card and you don't get approved for that inquiry, or if it's a hard inquiry, that inquiry will cost you between 5 to 6 points on your credit score. Now, if you apply for something which is a hard pull and you get approved for that loan or credit card, that will only cost you between 1 to 2 points. That is the way the system works. That's the way the algorithm works. But let's go back to the Capital Ones. Now, Capital One is one of those that I found out that was amazing. So most of the time, you'll get the pre-approval in the mail. You get some pre-approvals online. I usually get them because once I start fixing my credit, I will get them in the email. So, and a little trick that I did, and I show it to some of my clients too, is once you get that pre-approval, do the same stacking method. What we do is you get the pre-approval and it shows you may apply or you may qualify for this 4 or 5. Guys, I did the same thing. I opened 5 different browsers. Now, if you run out of browsers, you don't have Firefox or anything, do what's called incognito. So if you go to your browser, if you go to Chrome, on the top right of your browser, you see 3 little dots. You click there, and I believe it's the 5th one to the bottom. It'll say open an incognito browser. You open it there because they don't follow, they don't check your IP address. That's what it is, I believe. Now, you have those 5, and that, guys, that's what I did. I clicked to 5, I got approved for 4. Now, guys, if that's not a bomb, boom, that's nothing. Guys, I hope that you guys gain some value out of this video. I hope that I'm able to help you. Now, one thing that I want to make sure that you guys do is, if you want to learn more about credit, guys, and fix your credit, and for once actually learn how to actually fish and not just be given the fish, then get with the Best Credit Blueprint. That is our program, and this one will teach you how to. Now, not only that, guys, not only that, if you're looking for somebody to help or down for you type of thing, get with the Best Credit Blueprint. We also have our vendor, a specialized vendor that will help you, walk you by the hand, and get you to the 800 club. Now, guys, this is a couple things that I need you to do. If you want to actually fix your credit, this is what, if you want to actually, if you just want to see this video and put them in practice and go do it, then go do it. Now, that's not a problem with that, guys. I'm bringing nuggets to you for you to use and for you to learn. Go do your research, do it. Now, but if you want to actually see what we have in for you, what we created, the blueprint. So remember, the blueprint was created for me, but we actually giving it to you now in order to help you create your own blueprint. Now, one of the main things you need to do is you need to make a decision. Do you want to continue living the same life? Do you want to actually go to a car dealership or to buy a home and have the uncertainty that you may not even qualify, or not even qualify to buy what you're looking for, to get the credit card, to be able to get the gift for the kids for Christmas, or a family member, for yourself, to treat yourself? Guys, financial literacy. Let us help you. We are the Best Credit Blueprint. We'll help you. We have the blueprint that will help you follow from A to Z, everything you need to do in order to get to where you want to go, and finally end up in the 800 club. Now, guys, give us a call if you're interested, and if you want to actually change your life, give us a call at 866-533-1444. 866-533-1444. Do not forget, in the bottom of this link, you'll find the Remaster's Secrets Lenders List. It's our gift to you because we want to bring really value to this world. We want to help you get to where you want to go, and at least we could do something right here. But if you want to actually start going and learning more and creating this for yourself, make sure you're developing and creating your own blueprint. Get in the Best Credit Blueprint, guys. Don't wait. Do not wait. Now, before I go, I need you to go ahead, like, share. Guys, give us your comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know any topics that you want us to cover, because that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be going through our comments, and all our topics will be on things that you guys want to hear, things that you guys want to know about, and how I can help you. Like I said, we're bringing value to you every single day. We're coming to you every single day. So do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Give us a call, 866-533-1444. And this is your servant leader, Carlos Estrada Vega, with the Warriors Investors, and we bring to you the Best Credit Blueprint. See you soon.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna